Hey everyone, today I'm diving into some intense political drama from Zimbabwe. So buckle up because things are getting heated within the ruling party, Zanu PF. Alright, picture this. A high-stakes meeting in Harare, the capital city. The Zanu PF party officials gathered hoping for a smooth discussion. But guess what? It turned into a showdown. Why, you ask? Well, it all revolves around President Emerson Mnangagwa and his term extension plans. Now, let's set the stage. Opa Muchinguri, the national chairperson of Zanu PF, introduced something called the Vision 2030 slogan. This slogan aims to extend Mnangagwa's presidency beyond the 2028 elections. Sounds straightforward, right? But hold on, not everyone's on board with this idea. Enter the war veterans. These folks have a significant influence within Zanu PF. And they were not happy with the Vision 2030 proposal. Led by Douglas Mahia, they outright rejected it. Imagine a room full of powerful party members and suddenly chaos erupts. Accusations of corruption and betrayal were flying around. It got so intense that the media had to leave the room. Talk about drama. This clash highlights a critical issue, the growing rift within Zanu PF over Mnangagwa's succession. Maintaining party unity and consolidating power is proving to be a tough challenge for the president. But that's not all. In another twist, President Mnangagwa recently cancelled his planned trip to the United Nations General Assembly in New York. This is the first time he's skipping the UNGA since he took power in 2017. Officially, they're saying it's because of a dense program back home. But let's read between the lines here. There are escalating tensions within his party and some serious safety concerns too. Remember that recent helicopter accident? Yeah, it's fueling a lot of speculation about his safety and control, and the plot thickens. The internal power struggles within Zanu PF don't end there. A senior official's son was detained recently and details are still pretty murky. This incident underscores the lengths factions within Zanu PF are willing to go to in their power plays. It's raising eyebrows about the rule of law and potential instability within the party. So what does all this mean for Zimbabwe and its political landscape? Well, it's a clear sign that President Mnangagwa's grip on power is being challenged from within his own ranks. The war veterans' opposition, the cancelled UN trip, and the internal detentions all point to a brewing storm. Zimbabwe's political scene is anything but predictable right now, and it'll be interesting to see how these power dynamics play out. Will Mnangagwa manage to hold on to his position and extend his term? Or will the internal rifts within Zanu PF lead to a significant shakeup? Only time will tell. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into Zimbabwe's political drama. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Until next time, stay informed.